Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do a cash out on this app, Receipt Pal. This is an app, all you're doing is getting paid to scan receipts. I've made numerous videos on this app. It is like the easiest thing you can do because a lot of people, when they get receipts, they just throw them away. But I tell you guys, with these receipts that you get, never throw them away until you get paid for them first. I mean, that's the name of the game now. I will never ever get another receipt without making money off of it. So I just want to show you real quick how you do this app. All you're doing is scanning receipts. You'll see here I have 3 cards. Each card is equivalent to 100 points. So that means each receipt is equivalent to 25 points. And 25 points on this app is equivalent to 5 cents. All right, now that might not seem like a lot, but when you just realize how many receipts that you get on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, it adds up. So all you're doing, as soon as you get a receipt, just like it says, snap a receipt to start earning points. You'll take a picture of the full receipt and it'll go into little pending status, and then like usually within that same day it gets approved and its check mark will be white. And you just go through and when you do 4 of them, you'll get your 100 points and you can continue to build up. So I mean, it really does build up fast because I mean, you really do get a lot of receipts. You're constantly buying things. I mean, just whatever it is, even if you don't have your own receipts, if you have your mom or your dad or your sister, your wife, your husband, whatever it is, if they have receipts, scan the receipts. It doesn't matter where the receipt came from, how much you spent, just whatever it is, always scan it. All right, so I'm gonna show you some of the receipts that I've scanned in the past, just to show you my receipt log right here. This is just February. All these places, I mean, I really haven't done anything special. Just, when I get a receipt, I just take a picture of it. You know what I'm saying? Just, or now be in January, so I've been using this app for a while. Every time I get a receipt, I scan it on this app. It says it can take up to 72 hours for new receipts to appear, but you get credited usually the same day when you scan the receipt. I mean, just every time I get a receipt, just go through, scan it, and just like, it doesn't matter how much you spent, you will still get 5 cents. But like I said, it continues to add up. So definitely encourage you guys to sign up for this app. The link will be in the description for you to sign up. You'll get a free 250 points when you sign up with my link, and that's 250 points towards your first cash out. So I mean, I'm just going now. I'm back in November 2019, but like I've been using this app for a while, probably almost a year. I've been using this app because I can go way back, way back. Just keep on scrolling. Yeah, I started using it in May in 2019, so not quite a year yet, but it will be soon because I'm gonna be using it for the years to come. So I just want to show you the rewards real quick that you can get on level 1 rewards, which I'm going to cash out a $5 retail gift card, but you can get a $5 Amazon gift card. It takes 2,200 points to do that. Level 2, same thing, Amazon, 4,000 points, 10,000 for the retail, 25. I mean, you can go to 50 and 100, just whatever it is that you want, that's what you aim for. But usually when I get on this site, I get the $5 retail gift card. And basically, it's just different retailers like Best Buy, Lowe's, different gift cards you can get like that. I usually get the Visa gift card, which is basically, like you can use that $5 for anything that you want to purchase online. So let me click on that real quick. I'm going to click redeem. And are you sure you want to redeem your points? I don't know if I can really see that, but I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to click on yes real quick. And it says your reward will be emailed to you shortly. Now this, when they say shortly, they really do mean shortly, like to the point where it's instantly. So I'm gonna show you the time right here. It's 6:15 a.m. So let's see how long it takes for them to send me that email where I can get my reward. All right, so you see it is still 6:15 a.m. and here's the gift card they sent me. Congrats on your reward. You are receiving a $5 gift card pass. So basically all I have to do is click on this link. And it'll ask me all my personal information, like my name and address, so I can kind of pick. Well, let me just show you real quick and just show you how you can make money with it. The gift card center, congrats, you're receiving a virtual Visa gift card. And you can pick which one you want. You can get the Visa gift card. You got Starbucks, they got Best Buy, they got Walmart, they got iTunes, they got Lowe's, Target, Regal Cinema. So they have a few different ones you can choose from. Just find out which one works for you. If you're an Amazon person, they have an Amazon option. This is from a whole other thing. Like I showed you earlier, you can get a $5 Amazon gift card, but I usually get this one, this virtual Visa gift card. So I'm gonna click select, and basically I just have to confirm. And once I confirm, it's gonna ask me to put in my address and all that good stuff, so I can use it like a real virtual Visa gift card. So you see here, this app, it pays instantly, and all you're doing, like I said, is scanning receipts. It does not get any easier than that, so you have to use this app. Download the app right now. The link is in the description, so you can get 250 points towards your first cash out and just make easy money. I mean, I don't think you can make any easier money than getting receipts, because I don't know how many receipts that I've thrown away over the years, and now I'm just kind of mad because, like, man, all the receipts I threw away, that was all free money. So get paid instantly with this app just to scan receipts. Easy money. Doesn't matter how much you spent on that receipt. Doesn't matter where you got it from. Just as soon as you get it, scan it. All right, and just let your money build up. 5 cents for every receipt that you get. Like I said, that's not a lot, but you know, when you get all these receipts and you just keep taking pictures of them, it adds up very, very fast. I mean, you can do like 4 or 5 of them in one day, and just let it, you know, continue to pile up each and every day. Just scan receipts. All right, so download the app. It's in the description. Get your 250 points for your bonus. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, because I'm always showing you guys how to make money online completely free. And this is another way for you to do it. So get started today, and always remember, every penny counts.